A long time ago, in 1696, there was a mathematician named John Bernoulli, who was 80 years old at that time, who always considered himself as a great mathematician of the world, and always tried to establish its image as a genius in front of other mathematicians. To prove his supremacy, he started reading some previous mathematician work, their articles, their derivation, and their unsolved problems. And he found one problem of shortest distance, in which Galileo in 1623 tried to find the curve connecting two points at different height on the same vertical line, along with the body acted upon only by gravity will fall in the shortest time. And he found the curve, but wrongly he concluded the curve is arc of circle. This time Galileo also knew that his result was wrong, so commented on the result that in the future with advance in technology someone definitely find the correct result. After seeing this, Bernoulli starts solving that problem, but it take him around 3 months to solve problem. After this, he presented the problem in front of the whole mathematician in form of challenges in 17th century. In June 1696, John Bernoulli has used a page of Acta Eruditorium's Lipsidia to pose a challenge to international mathematical community to find the curve joining two fixed points so that a mass will slide down along it under the influence of gravity in the minimum amount of time. According to Bernoulli, Bernoulli wrote the problem stated as given point A and B in a vertical plane, which is a curve traced out by a point acted on only by gravity, which starts at A and reaches B in shortest time. In simple meaning, suppose a point at some distance on a vertical A and you are on that point. There is some point B at some distance on ground and you are trying to come from point A to point B in shortest possible time. Then which path do you take to reach that point in shortest possible time? Do you take rectangle path, or do you take a displacement path or some other path? These problems seem very easy but very tough because it is not solved from past 100 years. Bernoulli presented by stating that I, John Bernoulli, addressing the most brilliant mathematicians of the world. Nothing is more attractive to intelligent people than a honest challenging problem. Those one solve this problem, I will present their name in front of all mathematicians. John Bernoulli also wanted to test the Newton's mind. So to test the Newton's mind, John Bernoulli also sent a letter to Newton. On 29 January 1697, Newton received the letter at 4 pm. When he arrived home from Royal Mint and found the challenge in the letter from John Bernoulli, Newton stayed up all the night and tried to find the curve. And he found the curve that is cycloid, means if you move in cycloid path from point A to point B, then you reach the ground in shortest possible time. He solved the problem in just one day and mailed the solution by next post. Upon reading the solution, Bernoulli immediately recognized its author, that is none other than Newton. On commenting that, he recognized a line from his claw mark. This story gives some idea of Newton's power. Since John Bernoulli took 2 weeks to solve it, Newton only 1 day. Newton also wrote, I do not love to tease by some foreigner mathematician about my mathematical things. This showed that he was not only mathematician but also a genius of all over the time.